Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's Shark Week, and so I'm going to give you guys 4 different recipes that you guys can do that are quick and easy with your kiddos, or if you feel like doing it as a grown adult, who knows. But if you're new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So if you haven't already, be sure to look down below and see if you're subscribed, and if you're not, come on over. So I have some gummy shark candy blue raspberry marshmallow flavored gummies. That's what's in this pack, and I got it from Amazon. I will have that link to my description box down below. The good thing about that is that they come within a day or two. These 4 simple and easy recipes that I'm going to share with you guys, you can make it anytime, make it however you want. You can change it up. I was using what I had instead of trying to go buy stuff in order to make this video, other than the shark gummies. Let's jump into number 1. All right, y'all, so for recipe number 1, I am going to be using the cake mix box. This right here is the classic white. What I will say to you is you can make it the way it is on the back of the box, or you can choose to flip it. If you choose to flip it and you want to make it taste like a bakery, you can add 1 more egg, or 2 if you want it to be very rich. You can use melted butter instead of oil and double the amount. You can also use milk instead of water. You can add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can fill the cups 3/4 of the way and then preheat the oven to 350, but then reduce it to 325 when inserting the cakes or cupcakes for 25 minutes. I'm just going to make it simple and plain, but I am going to add a special ingredient in, and that is cake batter mixture. That way it is going to taste like cake and not just the box. So I'm going to prep this up, bake these, let them cool off, add some icing, and then I'll show you guys how I turn them into Shark Week cupcakes. Number 2 is another good one where you are making it into a scenery of a beach. So you're taking vanilla pudding and some food coloring, some crushed up maybe vanilla wafers or graham crackers or Teddy Graham, something like that, along with those shark gummies. Idea number 3, you're going to be using Sprite and lemonade because you're going to be making a drink. So of course, sometimes people want a drink to cool them off, especially in the summer during Shark Week. So you're going to need the following items: Sprite, lemonade, some grenadine if you can find it, or if you want to use like some other type of red tinting. You're also going to need those marshmallow gummies. And for the last one, this is something that I could not wait to share with you guys. We're gonna be making shark popsicles with literally 2 ingredients, just 2. So all you're gonna need is Sprite and those gummy sharks. Now, what I will say is if you need to order you some popsicle holders, be sure to do that because this is all you're gonna need. Honestly, you can make it into any shape that you want, I feel like, you know, depending on like what mold you have, but at the end of the day, I needed to order some in order to make these because I let our other ones go. Alright, take the first lick and tell me what you think.
1, 2.
I know a lot of you guys are probably like, where do you get these ideas from? Let me just say, Pinterest is my best friend when it comes to Vlogtober, Vlogmas, Shark Week, finding recipes for dinner, and then of course along with like finding ideas for teaching, finding ideas of like, oh, what to do next. So if you ever want to take the time to download Pinterest, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna find so many great recipes. You're gonna find so many different great informational things, such as like for Canva, YouTube, or wherever else. And that is where I find most of my information.